Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan, and today in this lecture we will talk about atomic structure unit 3 from class 9th chemistry book Federal Board National Book Foundation. So let's talk about the quantum mechanical model and the atomic structure. So the quantum mechanical model, it is basically a modern model of atomic structure, and in this model electrons behave as wave particle entities. It replaces the exact orbits and shells with probability regions known as orbitals. Now, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle states that the exact location and future trajectory of an electron cannot be known simultaneously. That means that the future trajectory of where an electron will be and where it is right now can never be found simultaneously. This principle was formulated by Werner Heisenberg in 1927, and this uncertainty principle makes it impossible to draw exact paths of electrons. Now let's talk about the electron behavior. Observing an electron changes its position. The repeated observations build a 3D probability map. This 3D probability map is known as orbitals. Now electrons exist in a spherical region around the nucleus. Now let's talk about orbitals. Orbitals are the region around the nucleus where there's a high probability of finding an electron. We say high probability because we don't know the exact location and the future trajectory of where that electron will be. Electrons spend most of their time in orbitals. Now there was this person, his name was Louis de Broglie. He proposed a dual nature of electrons in 1924, both particle-like and wave-like behavior. He opened the doors for quantum mechanics. Now there were two people, Davison and Germer. They also proposed a theory in 1927. They confirmed this wave-like behavior of electrons, and they laid the foundation for modern quantum mechanics. Understanding atomic models. Atomic models are conceptual tools to understand atoms and their interactions. Not physical objects but simplified representations based on experiments. They help explain the behavior of atoms and molecules. Let's talk about the structure of an atom. In a simple view, the nucleus in the center with protons plus and neutrons 0. As you know, neutrons have a neutral charge and protons have a positive charge. Electrons on the other hand, they have a negative charge. They move in shells around the nucleus. The mass of electrons is negligible. The atom's mass is mainly in the nucleus. Now let's talk about the nuclear force. The strong force binding protons and neutrons is the nuclear force. It overcomes electrostatic repulsion between protons. It exists between proton and proton, neutron, neutron, and neutron proton. It is stronger than electrostatic or magnetic forces. I hope you guys liked my lecture. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.